Nucky. Good evening.
It is. 4, please.
I wasn't expecting you. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Relax.
Let's go to the Blenheim.
We're reading here.
So, you intend to follow in your papa's footsteps?
I'd like to think I'm my own man.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
But I am eager to learn everything I can.
Yeah? What have you learned so far?
Nothing's free.
No, I never thought Volstead was a good idea.
You will after you open that envelope.
The partisan nonsense it caused.
You and I would be a lot closer, Ed. Republican, Democrat, all fucking meaningless. As soon as Nucky Thompson is
When he's brought to justice.
right, they'll have a gala fucking party.
I'll be looking forward to it.
I love this kid.
I'd be happy to eat elsewhere.
Didn't someone mention the Blenheim?
Any questions about the menu?
I think we're all set. The lady will have the veal chop. I'll have the ribeye.
Very good, sir. Mr. Thompson.
Lobster thermidor for the lady. Center cut pork chops for me.
I'm so sorry, sir. We're just out of the lobster.
No.
My apologies. Not a minute ago.
What would you recommend?
We have chicken cordon bleu or a poached salmon.
The chicken, then.
No, you've had your last meal in this place. Nucky, get your fucking hand off me. Governor, what brings you to our seaside resort?
You have my sympathy for your troubles, Nucky.
And you have my undying wish for a long political career. You're looking very respectable, James.
Meet his eyes, boy.
I'd say we're both putting up a pretty good front.
What did he promise you?
More than you ever did.
I keep my promises, James. And I'll make you one now. I will ruin you. All of you.
Like a fucking child.
You're the expert on children, aren't you? He never even asked her name. Just pointed to the one he wanted. The rest was understood.
Jimmy! Hey! You're stronger than that. Jimmy!
Have a nice dinner, gentlemen.
Jimmy!